this is two-stage reciprocating pump. The aim of this experiment is to find the characteristics. So here we have the different parts of the reciprocating pumps are. This is the motor, and we have a wattmeter here, 2 wattmeters. Since it is a two-stage, so we have a wattmeter 1, wattmeter 2, which will come in the calculation. After that, here we have, this is our cylinder, and this is the vacuum pressure, and this is the gauge pressure where we are going to load to be given to the pump. And here we have a tank to measure the discharge. This is the tank where we are going to measure the discharge. So initially you have to start the pump. So very important, the precaution which you are going to supposed to take in reciprocating pump. Before starting the pump, the valve, whatever the outlet valve is there, should be completely kept open. Why means, if the valve is closed and if you start the pump, the cylinder may blast or it may crack. So that precaution is very must here. So before starting the pump, the valve should be completely open. So after that, you have to start the pump. When you start the pump, since the discharge, the valve is completely open, the water starts coming and collecting into this tank. So here you are supposed to measure the 10 centimeter rise in water, and where you are going to measure the discharge, that is equal to A into R by T. A is what? Area of the collecting tank. R is 10 centimeter rise in water, and divided by T is time to collect that many centimeter of water. So after that, since the load is not there, means the gauge pressure will be 0, and whatever the vacuum pressure is there, that you are supposed to note down. After that, again at no load, this is our W1 and this is our W2. So here, after that, we are going to give load to the pump. Load in the sense, we have divided like 0.6, 1.2, 1.8 and 2.4 kg per centimeter square. So when you go on closing this valve, the pressure starts build up in this pressure, gauge pressure. So at 0.6 you have to stop. At 0.6 you have to stop. So here you have to note down the vacuum pressure and note down W1 and W2. After that, come back to the discharge part. Here you have to measure time to collect 10 centimeter rise in water to measure the discharge. After that, after 0.6 we will go for again go on closing the valve. So when you attain 1.2 kg per centimeter square pressure, again you have to stop. So note down the vacuum pressure, note down W1, W2, and come back here for the discharge part. Note down again time to collect 10 centimeter rise in water. Again you go on closing this valve for 1.8. So like that you are supposed to go up to 2.4 kg per centimeter square. Okay, after that you have to go on calculating all the characteristics of a reciprocating pump. Thank you.